Want radiant, youthful skin without breaking the bank? Forget expensive serums and chemical-laden products. There's a powerful natural remedy you might be overlooking. Flaxseed gel is the ultimate hydration booster, anti-aging miracle, and skin-soothing elixir all in one. Today, we're revealing 5 incredible benefits of flaxseed gel that will transform your skincare routine. Stick around because benefit number 5 is an absolute game changer. Reason number 1, intense hydration. Is your skin feeling tight, flaky, or dry? Say hello to deep hydration. Flaxseed gel is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and mucilage, which form a protective barrier over your skin, locking in moisture and keeping it soft all day. Unlike store-bought moisturizers that contain synthetic fillers, flaxseed gel absorbs quickly and provides natural hydration without clogging pores. Apply a thin layer before your moisturizer, and you'll instantly feel the difference. Reason number 2. Natural anti-aging power wrinkles creeping in? Flaxseed gel is packed with antioxidants and lignans, which fight free radicals and slow down aging at the cellular level. It helps your skin produce more collagen, making it firmer and reducing fine lines over time. The result? Plumper, more youthful skin. Many people notice that with regular use, their skin feels tighter, more elastic, and naturally radiant. No expensive anti-aging creams needed. Reason number 3, fights acne and soothes inflammation. Tired of breakouts, redness, and irritation? Flaxseed gel contains anti-inflammatory properties that calm stressed skin, soothe irritation, and reduce redness naturally. Plus, its natural antibacterial properties help fight acne-causing bacteria. If you struggle with hormonal breakouts or sensitive skin, applying flaxseed gel daily can help control excess oil and promote a clearer complexion without harsh chemicals. Reason number 4, brightens skin and evens. Tone. Flaxseed gel isn't just about hydration, it's a powerful skin brightener too. If you have dark spots, uneven skin tone, or dullness, this gel is a natural way to restore your glow. Flax seeds are rich in vitamins B and E, which help your skin regenerate, fade pigmentation, and boost overall radiance. Use it as a nighttime mask or a morning moisturizer to see brighter, more refreshed skin every day. Reason number 5, acts as a natural makeup primer. This might surprise you, but flaxseed gel doubles as an incredible makeup primer. Instead of silicone-based primers that can clog your pores, flaxseed gel provides a smooth, breathable base for makeup. It minimizes pores, controls oil, and keeps foundation in place for hours. Plus, its lightweight texture ensures your skin stays hydrated and fresh all day. Try it under your makeup and see how flawless your look stays. Now that you know why flaxseed gel is a skincare must-have, are you ready to try it? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips.